Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are getting to the first subscription box that I have a 9-month subscription for. And we're going to do an unboxing of the first introductory box for this one. It is Maeven. It comes in a beautiful, beautiful keepsake box, which can be reused for your bridesmaids boxes and a number of different ways for crafts or a card box for your wedding. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Comes with a beautiful, beautiful necklace. It's very simple, very unique, and it can be worn with just about everything. It's a silver bar necklace. A ring holder that you can fill in the bottom with of any like flowers or any greenery or a piece of fabric to do photos with. That is a very nice addition to this box. A love balloon for decorating for your bachelorette party or a couples party or your engagement party. This is nice to have. We have bride and groom. Stemless wine glasses. These are very good quality. If you guys write your own vows, these are very, very handy to have. His and hers vows that you can write your own vows with. And they can be keepsakes for after your wedding, which is very nice to have. And a wedding planner. Now, if you're planning your own wedding, a wedding planner is a must. And this one has almost everything that you'll need to actually plan and organize your wedding. It has list and vendor information, and you can lay out your ceremony and reception tables. This is a wonderful, wonderful book. I wish more companies would do this in their boxes, but they do not. The only other box that I have that does is coming up soon, and I'll show you the difference between the two books. And that's all for this box. This is a very good introductory box for anyone who is thinking about planning their own wedding, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you next time, and stay cool.